Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with another little unboxing from Juvia's place. If you guys saw my video from before, I had unboxed a few eyeshadows that I had tried for the first time, and I love them so much that I decided to order 3 more eyeshadow palettes, and I want to share them with you guys today. And one of them I've actually been waiting for them to restock, and I am very excited that I finally was able to order it. These boxes are like the cutest thing. Love, love, love the boxes. Alright, so the first one is called The Violets by Juvia's Place. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry for the glare. Let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what it looks like, because I am always so excited to get. As if I need any more eyeshadows, I just always end up finding that, you know what, sorry, I always end up finding like cuter ones that I can go ahead and order. So we are going to go ahead and take a look at these. If I can get the box open, here we go. All right, so here it comes in bubble wrap. I am really impressed with their packaging. I told y'all before that their packaging is really, like, I just love it. So these are smaller palettes, and these are violets. Ooh. See, I love violet colors because my eyes are green, so violet really does bring out the color in my eyes. This is really cute. I love these colors. See, I'm trying to open myself up to bolder colors that I'm not used to. Like, I'm that girl that goes to the nail salon and always picks the same type of color all the time. I never go outside of the norm, but I'm trying to do that now, and these are really, really cute. I really love those. So those are the violet ones. The next one is the nudes. Very cute boxing again. Very, very, very cute. We're gonna go ahead and open this baby up, and let's see what this one looks like. And I love a good nude color too. These are like sand colors. This is really nice. Look at that. See, I love, like, this is like everyday wear here, and I can really make this work with like rose color and nudes. I love these. This is really nice. I'm impressed. Juvia's Place, very impressed. And this one is the mauves. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right. Mauve or mauve. This is like that between nude and rose color, which I absolutely love, and I think that that's a very versatile color. It pretty much goes with everything. So let's open this baby up and see what this one looks like. And there goes the box. And here we are. Oh, these have like pink. Ooh. This one down here has almost like a purplish, almost like that mermaid hue to it. That's really nice. I love that. This is cute. I can really do some stuff with this color too. And these are perfect for the fall. So now that fall is here, I can definitely make use of these colors. So guys, there you have it. 3 more palettes from Juvia's Place, which I am absolutely in love with. And if you guys are interested, they do have a Instagram page. That's actually how I found them. And there is a palette on there. I forgot what it's called, but they keep selling out of it. It's like a really, one of the newest big palettes that they have. So there you guys have it. 3 more of Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share. See you later. Toodles.